everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I am so excited. I feel like I finally got my paper beads down. The glazing is down. The paper I like I feel like I'm trying to pick them up. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm going to try to focus in so you guys can see a little bit better. Look at that though. Like, look at it. These are like hard. They are glazed. Like, these are super nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put, I also had some big ones. Now this was a new template that I came up with. Guys, look at that. Just look at how shiny they are. This is the new template that I came up with last night. You got, as you can see, those beads are a lot bigger compared to the other ones. On these I used like 3 strips of paper compared to, you know, these I just used the one. So you guys, I finally got it down. Okay, like, what? Okay, so let me, yeah, take the focus back. Okay, like, they sound like beads. You guys, these things are like hard. They're not squishy at all. Like, I got it. Okay, now this is what I did. I did do about 5 coats on all of these. Like, it took y'all, it took a while. It did take a while, but I end up using the PC petrifier. I used this as well as finished it off with a coat of diamond glaze. Right? Who would have thought? So that's what I did. And I also came up with my own little template for my tags. This is what I'm going to put on them. And this is the size bags that I'm going to use. What size are these? Hold on, you guys. Let me go check. Okay, you guys. So these are 2x3. And I got 200 pieces. And it was only $4.50. So not bad. I've got my tags cut out, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay, and I did have a question. If you guys were buying beads, like, would you rather the bead be on a string? Or do you think just putting them in here loosely is fine? Like, what, you know, shoot, what is it you'd be looking for? But right now, I'm just going to put them in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so nice. Oh my gosh, this is my first official set. Let me get that. Okay, this is my first official set. I'm so excited. And then for the tag, only thing I'm going to do is fold this in half. Just like that. And place it over the bag. Grab my stapler. And that's it. Look at that, you guys. It's ready to go. I got my first little... I'm so excited. I feel like this is, you know, this is a nice start. This is a good start. I'm excited. Okay, so if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys know that I do have the templates on my website. You guys, look at these. Like, I was so excited about these. These turned out super nice. So what I'm going to do now, I probably have like 30 sets that I'm going to be glazing to get to this, because I love this. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the packaging, and to let you guys know that, hey, I finally did it. So PC petrifier and diamond glaze. That's what I use. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.